Hi guys and welcome to today's live intraday trading. So right now I'm planning to buy HDFC stock in the market level now around 1590. So let's see how the stock will perform. So I just bought it now around 1590 and I'm planning to take the target up to 5 or 6 points. So let's see how the stock will perform. So we have bought it now. So currently the market today is bullish, so it's almost 0.34% up now. So according to my strategy and studies, I have just bought the stock thinking that the stock has a good bullish momentum for the day. Okay, so you can see here on the previous day the stock has come down and touched some of our main support level at the downside, which is around 1580 and 1570. So it has taken a support there, and today when it opened at 1587, which is pretty bit of an upper section. So from there it is trying to break the resistance and go up. So let's see how the stock will perform. So this is my view and this is the reason why I selected this stock. And also if you guys want to learn all these techniques, you can join us and I'll be guiding you all the techniques, and not only just guiding you the techniques, even in the live market whatever trade I am taking, I'll be guiding you with the same trades as well. Okay, so right now it's at 1590 again, so let's wait for some time. The high made as of now is 1591.55. So let's wait for that to give a breakout, and from there we can expect some of the fast movement to happen is what I'm guessing. Okay, and also guys, to be a consistent profitable trader in intraday trading, you need to have a good trading strategy and a trading setup. Okay, so if you guys wish to earn consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my course today. In my course I'll be teaching you the simple skills to make consistent profit in intraday trading. No indicators and no complicated things. It's a one-time payment. You get lifetime support with the live market guidance as well. Okay, and the course prices are very less and reasonably priced. It's the amount what is spent for eating your favorite fast food or a snack in a month. Okay, and also you can just go inside my channel and watch the daily live trades whatever I have uploaded. So once you join us, you'll be getting the same live trades update as well. And also once you join us, you'll be getting daily live market support. It's a one-time payment. You get lifetime support. So guys, yes, as you guys can see here, the stock is trying to make a new high here. So once the 1592 level is given a breakout, then we can expect some of the fast movement is what my view is. So let's see if it can touch 1592 and from there it can go up. So let's wait for some time. Okay, so yes, the new high has been made, 1592 here, HDFC. So yes, so let's wait for some time, and once it hits the target, I'll just take the exit around 5 or 6 points. Okay, and also guys, you can start with minimum 5 to 10,000 capital as well. So it's not like you have to start with a big investment or a big capital at the beginning itself. So always follow the discipline and learn the process of make consistent profit. And once you learn to make consistent profit, then you can increase your capital. Okay, so if you're thinking like you have to invest more for starting itself, it's not like that. You can start with minimum 5 to 10,000 rupees capital and make decent amount of profit, and once you're confident, you can increase your capital as well. So as you guys can see, we are almost closer to the target. So the high made as of now is 1596 almost. So our target is almost achieved guys. I'll just take my exit and I'll update you about the trade. And if you guys wish to learn from me, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen, and you can get in touch with me. I'll be guiding you personally for making consistent profit in intraday trading. Yes, as you guys can see, the stock has made a high of 1598 and I took the exit. So this was the profit what I was able to book it in the today's trade of HDFC Bank. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to learn all the techniques of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us today. And also you can go to the link in the description of this video and go inside my blog, and there you can see the earning proof and feedback from my clients what they have given us once they have joined and they're able to make constant profit. Okay, so even if you also wish to earn constant profit like this from today, you can join us now by messaging me on the WhatsApp number displayed. So guys, you can go inside my channel and watch all the videos. So I upload daily live trades about what trade I take and what trade I do, so you can see all the performance. And if you guys wish to earn consistent consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us. I'll be guiding you guys personally in the live market. The same trade what I take and the same levels what I do, you will get the same trades as well. Okay, so if you are interested to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now.